My beautiful friends, you know how we do it. Let's go. Tap here 3 times and we're going to start decoding today's word. And the word in question is wallet. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Follow me closely. We're going to be spelling W. It is dot long press release, long press release. Tap, long press release, long press release. You have W. Next is tap, long press release. That's A. Next is dot, long press release, tap tap. That is L. Next is tap, long press release, tap tap. That's L. Next is E, which is just a dot, and NOS is long press release. I call it NOS. Don't mind me, okay? And this right here is your price. You take it and it's gonna be added to your balance. In case you don't understand this, I'm going to be uploading another video next, and that's going to show my hand. You'll be able to follow the reading on my hand to do it. Let's go.